Hey, PLAATO community. We've now released recipe-based alerts, something that y'all have been asking for quite frequently. So today, when you go in to create a batch on your fermenter view in the PLAATO Pro app, you create your batch, and on the first section, you can create a recipe. Now, when you create a recipe, you put in the name, the style. Let's say we're making a light lager today, the original gravity, final gravity, and when you hit next, you now have the ability to create recipe-based alerts on what you would like to get alerted on, whether that's around gravity, temperature, or fermentation activity. As you can see, there are also some suggested alerts too, based on data that we've gathered from breweries as well. So once you're satisfied with your alerts, you can create your recipe. And then from then on out, you will be able to have these alerts on all of your batches. So you don't have to recreate batch alerts ever again. All you have to do is associate them to your recipe.